guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be reviewing the new BADgal Bang Mascara. So I know this is the new It mascara at the moment. I just bought this one yesterday to review. So I've seen the hype around this mascara lately and it was quite intriguing. I just wanted to test it out myself to see what they actually claimed about this mascara is actually true. Now I'm hoping that I can get some massive voluminous bang lashes. What I always say is that everybody is going to get a different effect from different mascara. For instance, if each strand of eyelash hair is actually thicker, it's obvious you are going to get a lot more volume and beautiful mascara. For those of us who has very short eyelashes, again it all depends on the thickness of your eyelashes. For me, I have very fine eyelash hair, but it's very long. So for me, mascaras tend to appear as if it's giving me length, but it's not really giving me length because I naturally have long eyelashes. As far as volume, not many mascaras give me volume even though they claim to say that it's voluminous. So I have very high hopes for this. It says here on the box 90% so dramatic volume. So let's put this to the test. And they also said that 92% said it lengthened their lashes. Now for me, I know I'm going to get the length because naturally my eyelash hair is long, so it's going to seem long. What I'm looking for is the amount of volume that is on the package. So without further more talking, let's just get straight into this review and let's just test out this BADgal. Okay, so I zoomed you in a little bit closer so you can actually see. As you can see, my eyelashes are thin and fine. So we shall see if we get that effect with this mascara. So I'm just gonna open up the package. Now I just bought the mini version because I really wasn't willing to take the chance to purchase the whole tube of mascara, only because, as if you're familiar with my videos, you do know that the Covergirl Total Tease is by far my favorite mascara. So this is what the tube looks like. It's nothing special. So let me just show you the wand. So this is what the wand looks like. It's very tapered to the tip and gets a little bit wider as you go in. Now the bristle seems to be very pointed, and I'm not a fan of very pointed sharp bristles, only because I tend to poke myself. I tend to go a little bit too close to the lash line and I poke myself. Okay, so first off I'm going to comb my eyelashes out because this is a step that I normally take. I like to comb my eyelashes out, you know, also to get all that eyeshadow off the eyelashes, you know, before I apply mascara. And next I go in and curl them. And it's nice and curled. Okay, so let's go in with this mascara, and this is my first coat. Okay, wow, that is my first impression. Wow, I had no idea. Holy smokes, I can't seem to hold my excitement. What the? Just imagine 2 coats. Ooh. So I'm gonna go in a little bit closer to the root. What? Now this is a mascara. Shoots. Wow, I think I found a new mascara. Oh, this is 1 coat, guys. Just 1 coat. And I'm loving it. Look at my natural lashes, guys. It's long, fine, it's thin, but this is what 1 coat of mascara did to my already long lashes. I can't believe it! Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go in and curl the other lashes because I'm just too excited. Okay, so I'm just so excited. I'm going to apply my first coat. And I'm putting it at the root and wiggle and pull out. I need to separate the lashes a little bit, so I'm just going to go in with a clean mascara wand and just sort of separate them and feather it out. Okay, so I'm going to apply my first coat to my lower lashes. I mean, look at that, guys. Just look at that. And this is just one coat. Wow. This is just like opening up my eyes a lot more. Now I'm thinking that I should have bought the actual size because I really love this. Okay, same thing. I'm just gonna go in with the clean one. Just clean up the little bit of areas where I got a little bit too much mascara. Okay guys, so this is one coat, upper and bottom lashes. I'm thinking, should I go in with a second coat? I love this as it is. I would just wear one coat as it is. This mascara is gorgeous. It's perfect. It's beautiful. It's everything the package said. Just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna go in with 2 coats. So we shall see what it actually looks like. Although I know you don't need 2 coats. 1 coat was more than enough. Okay, what I'm noticing is it's just looking like spider legs with my lashes. This is 2 coats and it's looking like spider legs, and I do not like spider legs lashes. I'm just gonna see if I can salvage this and make it look, you know, not so much like spider legs. Yeah guys, so this is 2 coats and this is 1 coat. Honestly, I prefer 1 coat. It's good enough for me. 2 coat was starting to look like spider legs and I do not like those type of lashes. So I'm just gonna go in and apply the second coat just to make the both of them look even. Okay guys, this is 2 coats on the upper lashes and 1 coat on the bottom lashes. I'm gonna stick with 2 coats on the upper and 1 on the bottom, only because it's kind of heading in the direction of spider legs. So the more coat you apply is the more spidery looking it's gonna look. I mean, if that's your look, then by all means go right ahead. I would honestly prefer 1 coat. It did the job perfectly fine for me. 2 coat is a little bit too much, but I can honestly say I am loving this mascara, and I can honestly say this is my new mascara. Forget the Covergirl Total Tease. I hate saying that, but I'm honest. I'm being honest guys, it's a very good mascara. So with that said, I normally like to rate my mascaras, and surprising enough guys, this mascara is a 10. I know I don't like to give products, you know, the full score, only because there's always something that you can always do better with a product, but in this case I think this is perfect. Nothing is wrong with it. It's beautiful. My eyelashes are gorgeous. So with that said guys, that was my review and my first impression of this mascara, and I can definitely tell you, go get it. And if you're new to my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description box. And yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say about this mascara besides it's beautiful. Okay guys, so with that said, I hope you did enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!